What's up, guys? It's your boy Yosef here, bringing you another POV drive. And today, it's a Saturday, and I normally don't work Saturdays, but today I got a 48-foot truck, which is the longest trucks we got. I mean, we have 53 trucks, but that's solely for transportation, transferring, like, you know, pallets on pallets of Pepsi. On the delivery side, you know, like we going to deliver to stores, the highest trailer we got is 48. You got 40-foot trailers, which is normal, and you got, you know, 48-foot trailers for bulk delivery. So that means I go to HEBs and stuff like that. Oh shoot, I did not see that car.